Christmas, everyone!
Look at the lights!
We finally made it!
On a quiet winter evening, snowflakes whispered against the window. Kritin zipped up his warm red jacket, holding Mom's hand as Dad adjusted his scarf, excited about a special invitation. A golden envelope had arrived, inviting them to the North Pole.
Look, Mom! Look, Dad!
We see it, Kritin! This is wonderful!
Santa must have sent it.
The room sparkled, the air hummed, and the world spun like a snow globe. In the blink of an eye, they landed softly on fluffy snow under dancing green lights. "Aurora Borealis," Dad exclaimed. A cheerful bell rang, and a group of elves hurried toward them, boots crunching happily in the snow. "Welcome, Santa is expecting you," one elf said, guiding them through a grand gate. Inside stood Santa's workshop, warm, glowing, and buzzing with joyful energy. Kritin gasped as he beheld rows upon rows of toys that stretched as far as he could see. Elves worked in harmony, each focused and smiling. One elf handed Kritin a tiny toolkit. "Would you like to help?" she asked. Kritin nodded eagerly. At the crafting table, Kritin learned how toys were made with care and kindness. He helped paint a small blue car, making sure the wheels spun smoothly. "Every toy carries a little happiness," the elf explained. Kritin felt proud knowing his hands had helped create joy for another child somewhere in the world. Santa arrived with a hearty laugh that filled the room. "Ho, ho, ho, Kritin, I hear you're a natural helper."
Ho, ho, ho! Kritin, I hear you're a natural helper.
Santa knelt to his level and showed him a magical map that sparkled with moving lights. "This is how we distribute toys," Santa said. "Each light is a child." They moved to the logistics hall, where elves sorted packages using glowing conveyor belts. Some checked names, others wrapped gifts with care. A few elves guided flying sleds on miniature tracks. Dad watched in amazement. "It's like the world's most joyful project," he said. Santa winked. "Teamwork makes the magic work." Kritin grinned, understanding how every elf contributed to spreading happiness. Kritin climbed into Santa's sleigh for a test run. Reindeer snorted excitedly as the sleigh lifted just above the snow. Mom waved, Dad took photos, and Kritin laughed as cold air rushed past his cheeks. He felt like he was on top of the world. He learned how deliveries were timed across time zones. Kindness powered the journey faster than any engine. As the visit came to an end, Santa placed a gentle hand on Kritin's shoulder. "Remember, the greatest gift is helping others."
Remember, the greatest gift is helping others.
The workshop glowed brighter, the bells chimed once more, and the world spun again. It was time to go home, but Kritin would never forget what he learned. Back home, the snow outside had stopped. Kritin looked at Mom and Dad, his heart full. He knew the journey was real because he felt changed. He looked forward to making a difference in the world. That night, as he drifted to sleep, Kritin smiled, knowing he was now part of a beautiful journey. He dreamed of helping Santa. The next day, Kritin volunteered to help his neighbor with her groceries. He offered to read stories to the children at the local library. And he always made sure to share his toys with his friends. Kritin continued to spread joy and kindness wherever he went, inspired by his journey to the North Pole. And so, his journey carried joy far beyond the North Pole. It carried the message that everyone can make a difference.